All right, the driver. Same thing was set up as you do with irons. Get your feet close together. For right-handed golfers, grip is very important. You want them in these three fingers, the tightness in these right there. That's how you want it right there. See that? You want your wrist flat. Flat. Your hands flat when your arms are together. So when you take it back, make sure your right elbow is underneath. You feel your shoulder square, but when you go back, see this right here? This is what you want right here. Your shoulders turning, the club pointing back from the target, not out, not in, straight back. And then that club rotates up and points at the target up top. Figure those things out in your swing. But you must be balanced on your feet, not on your toes at all. Underneath, hands drop down. And a little secret, before you swing the club, loosen up your hands just a touch. That was hit about 250 on a fly. So when you're coming through, you have to make sure you're lagging the club. Get this feeling here. Everyone swings different. I swing weird and different too. So you see, you want this right there. Flat wrist, hand underneath, elbow in, and then you release it. When you can figure out all that and the balance, you will make the golf happen.